Rock and roll SNES, baby. Check it out, folks. Welcome, Pro Trader Mike and the Mojo Show. Nice to see you today. Oh, let me see what we got going on. There's this little stock right here, guys. SNES at 35 cents. That's now $1.13, up 261%. We got this other little stock, AMMA, A-M-M-A, making a big move right now. I'm going to alert the Mojo Day Trade room. Check it out, the stock AMMA. We're not going to do nothing with it because it's already made it. But today is the little small fry stocks, guys. Check out this one. Amazing. Put it out right there in the Mojo room. Let me see what else I got going on. Cool. We're going to have a great day. Great day. Let me show you what went on. This is amazing. Amazing stuff. Good day. Good day. Let me show you. Here's the Mojo room. 62 on that AMMA stock. Crazy. Probably done with this thing will be like 72. You know what I mean? Nuts. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Let me scroll back in the Mojo room right here and I'll show you exactly. Had a rock and roll Hoochie Koo on the SNES, man. Tink picked it right there at 10:17 a.m. Tink in the Mojo room. I'll start from the beginning of the day. And then I'll scroll on up to where we were at, all right? All right, here's where we're at. This is today at 9:25 a.m. I held a webinar last night over the weekend. I have a class on June 5th from Mojo University. I'm going to teach live. Class is filling up. It's a very hot class to be in. You learn all these things. Why AMMA is now 72. I just told you it would be 72. I just told you that. And it did, because I'm in the trenches every single day. I know exactly how to do it. I'm like Batman. You know what I'm saying? It's all, boys. Amazing, isn't it? Everyone else out there in the mod rooms you're following, this is what they look like, man. They're freaking clowns. They're all over you. They're gonna hurt you. Mojo's not. Mojo's gonna help you. Damn, these stocks are good. Let me show you what we did in the Mojo room. So we came in here in the beginning of the day. June 5th is the course, 1997. I gave a 50% discount, $9.97, and you get all this. Mojo Live, my bonus video, 3 months of chat, newsletter, toolbox, course, and crypto school. Total value $47.81. An amazing deal. Sweet deal, no brainer. Then we got in on the stock ATXI at 482 by 483. Had 10,000 shares. Already booked 220 on the first run through 5. Then I got stuck in it. Down 580. But I was able to dwindle it back to a small little loss of, that one was ATXI, $10. And then we have NBRV right here. Going to catch it off this little move on the way back. NBRV made $95. folded this ADOM, which was stupid. I mean, this other one we did, I didn't like the vol. Not Acre, this other one that was at 50 cents. Didn't think it would get much, and it did double. Acre right here at 74. We rode this one up through 75. See, big ass right here, 953. It went right through that, right through the 74. This was the fold. The fold on ADOM. $1.52. Vivis right here, big buyer came in on Vivis. So I showed you this for my course. This was an example right here of a big bid right here. See it? Right here. A large bid. Large bid. It's bearish. I'll take this picture right here and I'll put it into Mojo University. Like there. And that's a large bid. And how it would go down from there. Not to buy. And that was at 89. And then it went from 89 to 86 in 13/10 of a second. Pretty fast. See that sucker? That's how it works. If you wouldn't have recognized that large bid, you would have been destroyed. And that's what I teach. That's what I was showing everybody last night in the webinar. And then we did RDVT. I made $3.95 on this RDVT. And then ADOM right here at 153. The stock, I made 2,600 on ADOM. Stock went to 2 from $1.50. ADOM right here, you could see it is high of 197. Is at 172 now on 35 million shares traded. You know, it's like, damn, baby. Oh, man, it's like, whew. I get a little swig of that. It's like, look at that stock. It's like, bang, baby. It's like, damn, I'm good at picking these babies. So I got my money glasses on. The power of the mojo. I did the same thing on Friday on Acre. 24.91. We're going to do a Heinz move. I showed everyone last night what the Heinz was. It's the king freaking trade play of everything. You know what I'm saying? You got to be the king. You're the king and you got it, man. Right? So we're going to buy 1,000 shares, $24.91. On D guys, I made $940. D guys, $24.95, $24.98, $24.99, $25.04. Heinz. Beautiful. Got another one in there. And we're going to get the third bar up through $25.07. D-Gas 5,000 at 24.97, up 1,000. Made 940 on D-Gas. Bumping for a loss on the. We're going to come down here on the stock. My average was like 4.0 and change. I lost $10 on the stock ATXI. Had to do a bump. Came back up here into the low 4s, which was my break even. Got out of it. This was the pick on Apron right here at $1.78. Rode that stock up. It's at $2.90 right now. It's a 100% gainer right there on the Apron pick. Rock's amazing this year. He made $80 million because I saw that movie Rampage last night. It was a good movie, man. There was some scary creatures like this kind of creature was in it. He was like, I'm gonna kill you. Dude, it was unbelievable, that creature in the movie. He was in it. Sick. Rock's unbelievable. So ATXI, there's the dump on the 4. And then look at the stock ADOM from $1.50 went to $1.90. Crazy move on ADOM. The small ones, the small fries are doing it, man. Rock and roll, Hoochie Koo. So let's look for some small ones, shall we? And then Tink, Trader Tink. Where is he? Right there. This guy. Tink. Profile number 5754. He alerts the room to a freaking number. Check it out. Yeah, I got him. Wow. CVSI, another small one. CVSI right there. See that one? That went from $1.20 to $1.20 and change. That one did pretty good. ATXI, that going in for the bump down here. Dow's up 280. Then we got ADOM, $1.74. Sick. I already made 1,800 on that one. That was a good trade right there. Stocks trading freaking crazy volume. And here's the bump coming back to 410. So if the stock comes back here to 410, everyone's even. Stock's now 404. Came right back to the 410 range. Just went over that. This is called a cross market. It's when the bid and the ask is the same price. You got to put your hard hat on. You don't know which way it's going to fall. It's going to go left or right. Who's going to win the tug? Going higher or going lower? That's what you got to figure out. And that's what the cross market tells you. Right there's one of my learning boards. 1303 by 1303. Who's going to win? Which way is it going? That's what you got to know. That's what I teach in the course. ATXI coming back up. Here's Tink. So Tink says, yo, bro, check it out. SNES signal at 65. So I'm like, screen share went off. I had to put up my screen share again. And then Tink puts it out. Look, right here, V-band. I call it done. Long 58 into 60 cents on SNES. Stock's $1.20. It's up 100% from that pick. So we're long. Patsy and I are doing a chat this afternoon, going to do a review, trader review with me and Patsy this afternoon. And then we have right here, there was the average 409.02, got a little lower. Buffet of stocks right here. We have a dark pool going on, right? A lot of education today in the Mojo room. A lot of education. Did really well. Really well on the education part today. Yeah, that's what we did. All right, let's go into the matrix for a second. So I come in here and we're in a dark pool. Dark pool's a hibby-jibby computer shizzles right behind like you're seeing right now. It's like, oh my gosh, what's going on? It's a dark pool. Those are big institutional orders that happen behind the scenes in the matrix. I teach that in Mojo. It's one of my learning boards right here. You know, dark pools are at the forefront of trends and off-exchange trading, accounting for 15% of U.S. volume in 2014. Yeah. ADOM 178 made 2,800. Total on ADOM 2,600 for the day. Pro Trader Eagles rock. Beautiful. SNES is at 76 cents now. See that? SNES 77 making a big move. Thank you, Tink. Well, he's embarrassed to say he's down on an AXTI, but I said, dude, have patience. It's going to come back over $4. It's at 380. He's nervous. I said, it'll go back. Don't worry. And it did. Multi-tax. He's got it at 406. He'll get back there. And then SNES is at 82 cents. 82 cents. rock and roll, SNES. Rock and roll. Take me up to 85. Rock and roll. Mojo makes $2,275 dollarinos on the trade with the room ski. Then I told everyone this morning to sell this VLRX at $1.70, that it's your life preserver trade play, and to take it, and it sure was the life preserver. Let me make sure I put that in Mojo U, because that's a big thing that I teach. Yeah, I did the life preserver right there. See that? So I teach that. It's a big thing. So yeah, he got trapped, didn't sell on Friday. News today, hoping he got 4,000 share right there. Then we got, oh, that was VLR today at 8:18. Oh man, I skipped. Hold on, let me just jump. So the Dow's up 284, right at 25,000. Big signal there. ADOM. All right, I'm caught up. So we got a bonus on ADOM. Finally caught a nice trade. Done with the cross markets right here. The dark pools, just showed you that. Now we're all caught up. Break time for sure. So we took a break and came back, and I was up huge on UVXY. Went to go walk the dachshunds right there. Those are my two buddies. Those are my buddies right there. That's Bobo Robo and Remington Stewart. Remy and Rory. But he's a little silly. He's like a little clown, like a little Bobo. So I call him Bobo Robo. And his name is Remy. He's sophisticated and dignified. And I call him Remington Stewart. Mr. Remington, or Remington Stewart. One of those names. They like that. We got a big risk bar. Don't get caught in the ABCD breakout and get the big risk bar. I teach that in Mojo U too. These are all big things you need to know not to destroy your account. Full education in the Mojo Day Trade room. CVSI $1.21 by 2, new high. ATXI, there you go, back to break even. Beautiful. There you go. UVXY headed through 11. Amazing. We did it. Amazing. So then we go right here. Ended the day with 66.27.10. Had 2,000 UV at 1090. It was at like 11:30, up 640 unrealized on that when I closed it out on that. Finished at 73.87 for the day. I closed out the UV. Yep, very nice. SNES, crazy pick right here through $1. See it? Went to $1.07. It's going to go higher. Told everyone right there, we're going to go Heinz it right here through $1. It went 102, 104, 105, new high, 109, 111, 115. Good Lord, news. You better believe it. We crushed on SNES in the Mojo room. Freaking crushed it, man. Rock and roll, baby. Look at that. Boom. 115 by 116. Boom. 117 by 119. Look at that. 119 by 120, man. Sick. 120 by 21. 122 by 23. Sell it, baby. Giddy up. Sell it, baby. Oh, yeah. There you go. Up 280%. Yeah, boy. Rock and roll, Hoochie Koo SNES, light my fuse. Rock and roll, Hoochie Koo. Won't stop going up. Spread the news. Like I do. So we go, look at the signal on Gonzo 34 on Twitter. It already came from a long, but it'll go through 34, and it did. And INPX is coming up on the swing right here. See this base? Don't let me tell you, at the end of the week, the stock's at $1 and it's at 40 cents right now. INPX, okay? Don't let me do that. It's going to maybe happen, and you're gonna fear of it. Don't do that. So here's your stock right now, coming back 414. Here, 408 by 415. You're even. You're even. Great job. And that's it. So we got AMA right here. Went from 60, and I showed you AMA right here. I told you it was going to go from 60 to 72, and it gobbled up, and it did great. Good job, Tinky Tink Tom. AMA right here went from, is it 85? There you go. Told you. You better believe I can give you the gear. Got the picks for the Moj. Loving it. Oh yeah, all happens in Mojo University, guys. Now, in my webinar last night, I didn't get to play the impact theory, Tom Ballou. You know, how small people always want to put you down. You can't tell anyone you're a day trader because they'll say you're a gambler. All this crazy shit. The small people always try to put you down. Whenever you're winning at anything, you always have enemies. You're always at war. Let me show you the impact theory. Listen. Find it right here. It is. It changed me. Here it is. Here's the hard truth. People don't necessarily want to succeed. And the bigger your dream, the more people that are going to come out of the woodwork to try and stop. As Oliver Emberton said, the only way to avoid pissing people off is to do nothing important. If you're striving for something important, if you're trying to make real change, if there's something in your life that you are absolutely hell-bent to make happen, you have got to understand that you're going to be fighting against something. People are going to be pushing back against you, and it is going to be your ability to hold true to that vision that's going to determine whether you can pull it off. And as Victor Hugo said, you have enemies? Good. It means you stood up for something at some point in your life. And that's what people miss. They somehow want to get through this unscathed. They somehow, with this grand change that they want to make, people just fall in love. They see your vision, that they fall in line behind you, that they want you to lead them. They want me to lead them. That's not the way that people work. Having a vision already puts you in incredibly rare. Having the vision like I do and being able to teach it puts me in a rare position not many people can get into. Being able to see something that other people can't see. Seeing things that other people can't see and helping them accomplish it. That is the role of a visionary, is literally to interpret the world that other people don't even know exists. I interpret things other people don't even know exist, and I help them make a lot of money from it. I get people excited about it. When I build an army like Mojo Day Trading of 1,000 traders, believe me, they're coming out of the woodworks, my enemies. You will. An opposing force. But as Mark Twain said, keep away from those who try to belittle your ambitions. Keep away from those who try to belittle your ambitions, folks. Small people always do that. When you're a leader, they're always trying to knock you down. Small people. Small people always do that. But the really great ones? If someone's cheap, they're dishonest. Remember that. They make you believe that you too can become great. You'll be great with the Mojo team. That's the kind of person you want to surround yourself with. You want to surround yourself with people that believe in you. People that believe in you. People that can see the vision and galvanize the situation, bringing everyone together. Surround yourself with people even when they can't see it. They can see you. Even when they don't understand what you're trying to build, they believe in you and they're willing to get in line. They're willing to meet that opposing force. You're willing to get in line as a Mojo trader. We're willing to go on the opposing force every day and battle that stock market. And when we do, we're champions. And when you're as it could be, not what the market is, but what it could be.
That's when you can make change. You can't be afraid to piss people off.
I'm not afraid to piss people off.
You know that they're coming for you, and you have to be willing to fight. Because if you're not willing to fight, you might as well sit down now. If you're going to be one of the few that stands up, you've got to stand up for war.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of it, baby, right there. And dude, when I come in, see the Mojo room right here? Dude, when I come in like a wrecking ball. See that? I won't be bullied by you dull creature. What, are you kidding me? Look at this. That's what I do to the stocks. Love that. And there you go. That's what we did today in the Mojo Day Trade room. Alrighty, very nice. AMA's at 90 cents. I started the show at 60 cents on AMA. Did I buy any by accident? No, of course not, right? Sweet, right, Mojo? Nice. Started that show off beautiful. Love that. Love that. Stock's on fire, bro. I know how to make it happen. Better ask somebody. When I got that shit around, Mojo Day Trading be on fire. We rock and roll, Hoochie Koo. Definitely. What else we got going on? Anything else, boys? Anything else? What else we got? That's pretty cool. How about that? I'll be like, yo, baby. That's a cool picture to have for the, check it out. I actually like that. Check it out. That's a cool picture, boys. Isn't that cool how it did that? That's how they do it with CoinDesk. I just figured it out. That's how they do it. Cool, huh? Awesome, you made money on the AMA pick. I like that. I like how it makes that thing. Isn't that cool, guys? Hey guys, it's Pro Trader Mike. Sometimes I forget I have the mic off, but isn't that cool, that picture, how it makes that little like comic shit like that? I love that. Cartoonerizer. Like, yo, baby. Fuzzy Buzzy. It's cool, man. I know. It looks like a painting. It looks awesome. I love it. I'm going to do a lot of stuff like that. I know. Thanks, Trader Jeff. You the man. No, you the man. You the hammer. Hi, Bobo Robo. Come here, buddy. My Bobo Robo at the door. Come here, buddy. Oh. I'll go out of my office and pick him up. It's best working out of my home. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Give me my loving. Oh, you're a good boy. You're so nice. I know. I love you too. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Bobo Robo. I know, buddy. Yes. Oh, that's so good. Oof. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Bubba. Oh, yes. Yep. Oh, yep. You look good like that, buddy. I like that. I like that too, my man. So we're done with the Mojo show. We're done with the trading today. How'd the mining go today? I haven't been to the warehouse in 3 days. I haven't been to the warehouse in 3 days, man, because the machines just run like butter. They don't go down. Best. Getting a couple more machines now. Right, buddy? Nice. 86 cents on that stock, buddy. Can you believe it? I picked it at 60. It's at freaking 80, 90 cents. Can you believe it, buddy? Can't believe it. How I can do that, right? Day after day after day. You can't believe it. I got this guy from some winnings, cashed out some winnings, said I'm gonna get another pooch. That's what we do. So guys, listen, Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace, keep it profitable. See you tomorrow, Tuesday. Thank you for watching the show. Any questions, send me an email, info@mojodaytrading.com. Check out my website, mojodaytrading.com. Take it easy.